So just recently I ordered some workbenches. You see, one of them turned out to be broken. They offered me $75 off. I decided to keep it and repair it.
So here I'm using the CNC router to cut out the insert that I'm going to use to hold the table together. Once that part was done, I walked over to my laser engraver and dropped in the piece and engraved the details into it. So then I grabbed the table and I secured it to the CNC bed. And I used the same file that I used before to cut out the insert, except this time I made a pocket instead of a cutout. Here you can see me using a caliper to measure the thickness of the material to determine how deep does the pocket need to be. So now I place the insert on top of the table and I'm calibrating X, Y, and Z. And I'm going to calibrate it to 0 so the machine knows where to start. So here you can see the CNC router running and it is currently cutting out the pocket. Here I'm testing out the insert, making sure it's going to fit. So I made two pieces, one for the front of the table and the other one for the middle. And this one that I'm working on right here is for the middle of the table. And as you can see, it's a little bit of a different design. In this next part, I am cleaning out the cavity and the wooden insert. Here I'm using some glue to bond everything together.